Okay, well, I went ahead and finished up this thin motor project and 3D printed a base instead of using the corrugated cardboard. And the base is only a centimeter thick. It's 10 millimeters. And that's what made the illusion so good with the corrugated cardboard, was it was so thin. And you're thinking, well, you know what, he's going to have the drive somewhere up in here. So thanks to Slider, I was able to make these clear plastic supports to show that there's nothing being driven up there. It's all someplace else. And anyway, yeah, Slider, thanks. I was able to get some old acrylic and score it with the blade and then snap it off to make these clear uprights, which made a much better illusion, showing that there's nothing in the uprights that are causing that to go round and round. But what this is I used very small, thin components in the base, and that's why I'm calling it the thin motor. And there's the whole project. You can stop this and look at it. What I did was I made this very thin 3D printed component here that most of it's hollowed out except for a very thin layer at the bottom here, or the top. And the components are very thin, and it's a 3-volt lithium coin cell, a very thin coil out of a solar waver toy, and then a reed switch. And it's just put together and taped on the inside of that box. And then the rotor is a simple monopole type. The rotor goes around, pulls the switch up, energizes the coil, turns the rotor around, and the thing goes roundy round. And so that is the illusion of having something that's running on its own. But it's not. They're the guts inside right there. Now you could put a clear piece of acrylic on it like that to cover that up, or something opaque like I did initially on the corrugated cardboard, and then people would think, well, he's blowing on it with a straw or something. No, that's the thin motor. And like I say, it was a fun little project to make an illusion of something that's running on its own. Thanks for watching.